That is a mosquito.
Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead. I'm up in my raised bed garden and we have a little break in this week of rain, and it was pointed out to me that your garlic can rot. You're not supposed to harvest garlic when it's raining, when the soil is really wet, because of the risk of mold. But I don't want it to rot either, and if I leave it in the ground, that in the raised bed, it might. So coming to you from Mosquito Central, I already had one land on my hand and I didn't have my spray. This is my homemade bug spray, and I have this as well. This has really protected me, but the pressure of mosquitoes is intense this morning because one's already landed on me and I just got out here. I have a big bump on my neck. I will say I don't have a microphone on, so I have to pause when the massive equipment goes down the road. Okay, so I'm all sprayed and I am going to harvest this garlic. So sit back and enjoy. Watch me work. I've also got some potatoes, some volunteers that came up from last season, so I got to deal with that too. Wow. Woo! Beauty. It doesn't get better than that. Ooh, the wind is picking up. Probably just gonna have to watch me work. No talking today. But I am going to plant some True Hyssop. It's not the best place to put it in a raised bed, but I have a lot. So I want to get it in the ground so I can at least have flowers. Okay, this is the True Hyssop, and I've got quite a few plants in here. This gets like 12 to 24 inches, so it'll be pretty. I decided to plant as I go, and then when I get all the garlic out, it'll all be planted. Okie dokie. Got a volunteer potato here, and it looks good. No green spots. If you harvest potatoes with the top is green, that means it was exposed to the sun, and that part is toxic. You can still cut it off and eat the potato, I understand, but you don't want to eat the green part. Better to just keep them covered with mulch. Nothing better than a volunteer. Let's see what else is down here. Okay. Woo! A couple of nice new potatoes there. See if this is attached to something. Nope. Even with all this rain, look, this is not that wet. Okay. If you're new at this, you don't ever want to pull it out like that, because depending on the dirt, you could ruin it, break it. Okay, I got twins. Let's see if they're co-joined or if they're loose. Well, that's a little bit of a raw spot there, so. Wow. Okay, I got it done somehow. Whew, it's so impossibly hot and ridiculous, muggy. The wind is going to drown me out, but I just wanted to say that I have never had a group of garlic that was so uniform. I only had one sort of medium size, and everything was large. And I think it's because of the spacing. I had them farther apart. Of course, it's in the raised bed, so there's no, lumps and rocks or anything down there to stop the root development. And actually, this gets a little bit more shade, so I know garlic likes sun, so I don't know about that, but I just want to show you this garlic. See what I mean? Very uniform, very strong, and I'm going to get this in so it doesn't get rained on anymore. This is a third of it, okay? Out of that one little raised bed. This is all of it. So, I did get a few potatoes, but not many. Even though the plants were bigger on this end, the potatoes were better on the other end, and I actually got some nice ones but you've already seen those. Purple potatoes. And so I'm going to give this a water and wrap this up, and I hope you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all if you'd like to see more gardening, more medicinal plants, and all the other stuff I've covered. Garden work days, you name it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Jump, jump.